The Metropolitan Opera House, a centerpiece of New York City's Lincoln Center, is one of the most famous opera houses in New York and a must-see for anyone exploring the city's cultural landmarks. Opened in 1966, this architectural marvel replaced the original Met Opera, which had stood in Midtown Manhattan since 1883. The new venue brought with it modern designs and acoustics that cemented its place as a global hub for opera. The Met's journey began in the late 19th century when it first offered a stage for the world's finest voices. Inside, the main auditorium is adorned with plush red velvet seats and a shimmering crystal chandelier that ascends before each performance. The acoustic design ensures that every note resonates perfectly, whether you're sitting in the orchestra or the balcony. Visitors on a Metropolitan Opera House tour can marvel at these details while exploring the iconic spaces that bring New York's artistic spirit to life. As one of NYC's iconic cultural landmarks, the Met Opera is more than a venue. It's a symbol of artistic excellence. It hosts over 200 performances annually, ranging from classic operas to innovative productions. Visitors can delve deeper with a Metropolitan Opera House backstage tour, gaining access to rehearsal spaces and the complex stage machinery that creates its magical performances. Whether you're an opera enthusiast or a traveler seeking New York's cultural landmarks, the Metropolitan Opera House offers a unique blend of history, artistry, and architectural beauty. It's a testament to the city's enduring charm and adventure.